I'm entering the second part of the bird's house, and it already feels so beautiful.
These colourful sparrows are so small, lively and adorable.
These parrots are so colorful and intelligent, and I love watching them with my friends.
These parrots are so colorful and intelligent, and I love watching them with my friend. Enjoying food while watching these beautiful birds makes this visit even more special.
A macaw. It's beautiful. Look at the colors on that one, sweetie.
It's so... This peacock dance is absolutely breathtaking. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, I will visit the zoo's marine animals. Please stay with me.